September 9th, 2022. This is where I got a call from a guy. He's got one of them power flush toilets that's giving him issues. Sometimes I can change just the cartridge inside there, then it's not an issue, but if that don't work, I'm just going to replace the whole toilet. I'm not a big fan of them power flush toilets. So, I think I got a cartridge in the truck here, a replacement cartridge for it. You can try that out and see if that works. If that don't work, we'll give it the old rip and tear method. Rip it out and put another one in there for the guy. They're noisy. I don't really like them. They're noisy. You know, you flush it at night, you wake up the whole flipping house. Power flush. So you need, Molly, a power flush. Oh, yeah, yeah. Sometimes you're doing the big poopies. Yeah, you need a power flush toilet. Yeah. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots if I can over there. Let's see, it's leaking. Keeps running. So I might be able to just change the cartridge. I got one. I got a cartridge. I might be able to just change it. If not, we're going to change the whole toilet. Hopefully I get this thing out of here. It ain't coming off easy, that's for sure. If it works. If not, we're gonna change the toilet out. shut off there. Should be better. I'll adjust this thing to accordingly. Should be good there. Put this back together and she should flush. So obviously you've got to adjust that thing in and out towards where it needs to be. I'm not a big fan of these things, but it is what it is. Let's see if it flushes. Not leaking anymore.